key references that we'll be addressing will be from the FDA, which will include General Principles of Software Validation, January 11th, 2002. This is not new. The requirements are not new. However, the guidance document still applies. Validation is a process. It's not a project. It's ongoing. So be careful in your validation SOP. Rather than say validation will be reviewed every 2 years. What's the validation project look like? We talked about the validation master plan in place, quality planning for the project, specific project planning, assigned responsibility, a team, defined deliverables, SOPs, and finally a summary and a review.